So everything that I'm going to show you today, I want you to try to max yourself out, because I'm going to max myself out on every machine that I use today. So I'm going to hit chest, shoulders, biceps, back, and triceps. Like that? Yeah? Good! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today I'm going to show you a great upper body routine with just using machines. If you're trying to build strength and put on some size, you have to push yourself to the limit. So everything that I'm going to show you today, I want you to try to max yourself out, because I'm going to max myself out on every machine that I use today. So I'm going to hit chest, shoulders, biceps, back, and triceps. So if you're trying to put on some strength and put on some size, I need you guys to max that out too. So you guys ready? Let's get it. So we're going to start this shit off by putting that pin to the max. Everything that we do today, we're going to push ourselves to the limit. So for those out there that are watching this that can't hit max, I want you to hit your max and stay with that for 5 sets. Because if we're trying to put on some size, we're trying to build some muscle, you got to push yourself to the limit. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm tired of hearing time and time again, and people have that mistake of thinking that free weights is the only way to put on some size and build some muscle. I'm going to show you that that's completely bullshit, because today, every machine that we hit, we're going to go nothing but heavy. Every time for 5 sets, no less than your max for 5 sets every single time. And I can guarantee you guys, if you mix this in on the days that you hit free weights on machines, I can guarantee your body is going to be completely different from what you're used to. And exactly what we're trying to do is build some muscle. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to our third exercise. I'm going to hit some biceps. When you do these movements, I need you to have that mind muscle control throughout every single set, throughout every rep. Don't just yank it because you're going to push yourself to the limit. We're not doing cheat reps here. So if you're not able to hit a certain amount of weight, jot it just right before that point when you feel like you're jerking yourself, because you want the full effect and stimulation on that muscle at all times. So you guys ready? Let's get it. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to the standing bicep curl. Again, we're going to max this machine out. But the thing I need you to focus while doing this exercise is keep the tension on the bicep, and not only that, keep that core nicely tight. When I talk about keeping the core tight, I need you to tighten up your stomach so it keeps your entire body stabilized. Time and time again, you see guys pretty much doing deadlifts while doing bicep curls. That's completely wrong. We're not trying to snap our lower back up. We want to get the most out of the exercise. So you need to keep that tension on the core so you can have that mind muscle control to focus and get as much gains as you can into that bicep. So from there, we're moving on to some rows. The best thing to do when doing rows or any back exercise, let the lat stretch. Don't do none of them half reps. You want to put the most tension on your muscle throughout every exercise, no matter what you do. So in this one in particular, let the lat stretch and then completely squeeze and get that nice tension and have the blood rush into the muscle and expand it. Because that's the only way that you're going to put on some nice size, by putting your muscle on some high overload tension. And this machine's called the dip machine, is a great example for what I was just saying, because it focuses on all 3 heads of the tricep: the long, the lateral, and the middle. Don't be one of those guys that focus on nothing but the bicep. Your arm is consumed with mostly triceps, so for you to have nice, thick, solid guns, you have to have a nice, solid tricep foundation. And this machine is going to help you get that. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed my video. When you go to the gym, you want to switch your routines up. Don't just stick with free weights, and don't just stick with machines. So when you have days that you're trying to focus on building strength, pick a day out that you just focus on machines and machines only, and push yourself to the limit. And then vice versa when you're hitting free weights. Push yourself to the limit. That's the only way you're going to build. Just like how you hear out there guys are making gains, that's the only way you're going to make gains at home. Hit that notification button so you know when my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you.
metamorphosis complete.